Is this an unboxing? Well, it's not really. It's nothing to unbox. It's sort of a... We're going to count it as an unboxing. It's basically sort of a new item. These Pukka Jotta pads, they're really, really, really good. They're A4 size, 200 pages, premium writing paper, 80 GSM. And they've got a ring bound. The nice thing about a ring bound is you can lie flat basically, and when you're in a meeting or whatnot, or on your desk, you can very conveniently put it in there without having to curve around the paper. The other thing, it's got margin, obviously, it's got punch holes. The nice thing as well with ring bound is you can rip out the odd page if you sort of mess it up. But that's what you get, 200 pages, so it's pretty thick, depending on how often you use it. I mean, it's going to last you a couple of months. And with A4 you obviously can get a lot on the page, so that's how it comes. I think they do obviously different versions of it, but these 200 versions seem to be pretty common, and I even like the colour on the cover. And then on the back, this is a recycled. They're great, not much to say really, but I would recommend it buy.